Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Zach, and all throughout the month of April, we are highlighting the conservation cycle. Also, today we're highlighting calibrating carbon, correct?
Yes, so we're going to be learning a little bit about our carbon cycle. We're going to be showing off a little bit more ball skills than just juggling. We're going to be playing a very competitive game of cornhole. This represents our carbon cycle. So today you're going to act as our emitter of carbon. This is a part of nature. Nature will always be emitting carbon, whether it's volcano eruptions or naturally occurring forest fires or even cow farts. All of this will be emitting carbon into our atmosphere, and it is my job to be our absorbers. I am going to be our oceans, our skies, and our trees, absorbing that carbon out of the atmosphere, either than natural carbon emission. We have man-made carbon emission. That's all of our burning of fossil fuels and tons of other things. So we're going to invite our friend Andy join us over here at the Calibrating Carbon game. You're going to act as our unnatural carbon emissions. That's our human man-made carbon. So we're going to go ahead and divvy up. Luckily, we each already have 5 on each side, so go ahead, collect your hacky sacks.
Here you go.
Now what we're going to do is anytime I miss, I don't get one through the hole, that's your carbon back to throw at me. So theoretically, it could get a little bit of buildup through my hole on my side. So only buckets through the hole count. Okay. You have 1 miss, I have 2. Okay. Ooh, okay. Nope, that's a miss. You get to throw that one. Let's see. Final tally. Ooh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4, 5, 6 on my side. That should mean 4 on yours. So as you can see, as this balance gets more and more lopsided to your side, I'm going to end up with a lot more carbon that I can't even absorb properly, right? And so that's how we're going to have that overabsorption in our atmospheres, giving us that damage to our ozone layer, or overabsorption inside of our oceans, adding to that ocean acidification that's going ahead and damaging things like coral reefs and the pH of our oceans.
So we had natural emitters and natural absorbers, correct?
Exactly.
But you throw that extra element of the emissions that man can make, and you can see it gets a lot more lopsided, correct?
Exactly, yeah. So the way to fix this carbon cycle, the way to calibrate our carbon is either to add a lot more absorbers, things like trees, or things like natural carbon absorbers, or even man-made carbon absorption is a thing. Or we need to reduce the amount of carbon we are emitting. That extra person needs to be throwing a lot less carbon molecules.
So all throughout the month of April, we're going to highlight Conservation Month here at the Orlando Science Center, where you guys can learn more about the carbon cycle, but also learn so many more cool facts and ways to conserve. I can't wait to see you guys all here.